Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today is Thursday, so happy Thursday. I hope you're having a great day so far. So we have $180 to cash stuff today. Woohoo! So let me get my bank bag that I found at TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx, you guys. So much good stuff at TJ Maxx. Okay, so let's count. Wait, hold on. Redo. All right, here we go. Oh, snap. Okay. All right, guys, it is extremely windy out there. It is bananas. I will say though, I went to the bank to withdraw some money and oh my goodness, the fives are so crispy. I just love the way how money smells. Am I the only one who loves the money smell? Let me know. I love it. Obsessed. I wanna be rich. Dun, 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 dun. I want a house and a You know that song? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's stop bullshitting and let's get started. If you're new here, I'm real. There's no filter in my mouth. There's no filter. So I'm just real. So sometimes I get a little carried away, but I'm just real. That's all you need to know. All right, we're going to go ahead and do Alabama Power. We're going to go ahead and add 20. Let me actually change that 10 and add the other 20. So now we have 40 on this one, and Alabama Power is $60. If you're new here, me and Happy do 50-50 on bills and rent, and I'm gonna do 20 on this as well. So now we have 20, 30, and 40. So Eric's bed is fully filled. So this one's good. So we do 50-50 and just rent and bill. Everything else he pays for. All right, gas is going to get a 10 and a 5 and a 1. So we can be even on this one already. So now this one has 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. So this one has 36. We're almost there on that one. So that is nice. All right, insurance is going to get a 10 and a 4. So 14 on this one. So we can start even out those numbers. Insurance is 144. And now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, we got a long way to go on that one, but it's okay. All right, next we have internet. Internet is $40. Let me take this and exchange that to a 20, and we're gonna add another 20. No, just kidding. Let me not add 20. Sorry, let me add a 10 actually. So we have 30, so we need 10 more, and we're gonna complete that one. And the reason why I didn't add a 20 is because I want to add a 20 to rent. Rent needs a 20. Okay, and then we're done with that. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. So 130 on rent, and we have by the end of this one to complete this. Knock on wood that we will. I hope you guys are doing okay. By the way, guys, we're getting so close to our watch hour. I'm going to put a screenshot right here of my watch hour right now. So please, please, please watch my videos throughout. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, so my video can go out to the budgeting community and YouTube, and everybody else can see me. And yeah, and I appreciate everybody so much for playing my playlist. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. We're getting there. We're almost there. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, next. Oh no, what happened? It got out of place. It's odd. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and do this Hello Kitty one. We're gonna do a $5 one because I want all my envelopes to get a little bit of love, and you can find this one on my Etsy shop. By the way, guys, I'm at 4 orders and my goal for this month is 10 orders. So hey, I'm almost there. I need 6 more orders to complete my goal for this month. I'm still working on some challenges because remember, I want to do 3 lunches. So far, I've only done 1. So I'm almost done with doing my second lunch. So I'm excited. Okay, next, we're going to do this scratch off Winnie the Pooh. Let's see how much we're going to scratch on this one. Let's do this one right here. You guys, I'm so hungry. Is it just me or does anyone else? Ooh, we're gonna add a 2. Does anyone else get super hungry in the morning? Like just waking up? Like just waking up. Okay, we're getting it to a 2. So 1 and 2. All right, so far we have on this one 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25 so far. So woohoo. By the way, guys, this might be a little bit of a longer video, which is okay. I actually, believe it or not, I love longer videos, especially when I'm cleaning or doing laundry or on my way home from work. So yes, I love listening to you guys. I'm always like, hey, I'm listening to you on my way from home. I mean, on my way from work to home or something like that. So yeah. Okay, let's add a 15. That's the biggest on this one. Let's add a 15. Okay, that's the biggest. 10, 15. Let's see how much we have now. We have 10, 20, 30, 45. So 45 on this one so far. Awesome. And it will save us 200. All right, next. Dermatology is gonna get, the dermatologist, whatever, is gonna get a 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. 55 so far. And we have to do, how much did it say? 195 or 170, I don't know, but it was 1 something the first appointment. So yeah, there's that. Okay. Happy Fun is gonna do a 10 actually, because I want to complete this one already. So I'm almost there. So we have a 5 and another 5. And I already used some of the Happy Mail Fun, you guys. I took out like $90-some. So I was like, oops, oh well, it is what it is. But now we have 10, 20, 30, 132, 33. $33. So hey, we're getting somewhere. 33. Okay. Now this one here, we're gonna add a 5 as well. You can also find this on my Etsy shop. Super cute. I love it. Very coquette. Okay. 5, you guys. I cannot believe this week is going by so quick. Like, where is time going? Like, for real. Where is time going? Alright, so unfortunately, I won't be able to do the Hello Kitty one. So on my next cash staffing, which will be Saturday, I will do this one first as my first priority. Sometimes I forget that I have to do this one first, but I mean 10, 20, no, I don't have enough, so I will skip that one for today, but it will definitely get some love. All right, guys, we're gonna do the Lilo and Stitch. And can I tell you something? I have no idea how I missed a number on mine, my personal one. How did I miss that? No idea. But 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're gonna do the one for 8. And I just noticed that yesterday when I was like going through my envelopes, I don't know, but does anyone else go through their envelopes and just count on the money, check out the money? I don't know, but I do. Like, it's so therapeutic to go to check out all my envelopes, all my binders. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I was like, how did I miss that? Like, how? I don't know, but I did. Apparently I did. Okay, anyways, all right, Eric for Easter birthday, he's gonna get a 5. I'm trying to buy him some Pokemon, so he has 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So he is going to be 8 next month. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. I feel like I just had him. Oh, that means that he's getting older, and that means that I'm getting old. I want to cry. I want to cry. Just kidding, but That's bananas. Like, I'm starting to see him a little bit different. Does that make sense? Like, I see him like growing. He's not being no baby. Does that make sense? I don't know, but I'm like, no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 so far on this one. On the Hello Kitty challenge. You can find it also on my Etsy shop. All right, next. We're skipping birthday because it's too high. We're gonna do Christmas because we need Christmas. We're gonna do a 7, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. All right, we're almost done, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's good. We are almost done with that one. That's exciting. Okay, we have so far 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 126, and we're saving 147. So we are almost there, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's exciting. Let me actually condense this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's add a 5 right there, and let's add this here. Okay, awesome sauce. I hope camera's doing good. I hope I click record. Okay, yes it did. Oh, I was gonna say I will be a little bit upset if I didn't. Okay, next. Okay, Dylan is gonna get $2. Okay, Eric is gonna get $2. And Eric is my oldest. Okay, and last but not least, husband Alex is gonna get $2 as well. Okay, there is that. Everybody got a little bit of love. Awesome sauce, love it, obsessed. And now whatever I have left, we're gonna do our saving challenge for Christmas. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see, guys. How much do we have? I don't know, but we shall see. Here we go. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $5. Small amounts do add up, guys, so don't give up. Small amounts do add up. Look at that. So I know there's more than $100 already in here because I have a 50 already in there. So yeah. Okay, let me get my marker. Okay. I also found this at TJ Maxx on the Christmas section, Christmas season. They bring out new ones every time. All right, so let's do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're almost getting close to being done with this, and then we need his face. So finger crossed we finish that one before this month, which I think we will. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. Happy Thursday. I see you guys tomorrow for Freebie Friday, which I love Freebie Fridays. So yeah, alrighty, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Your time is precious, so thank you for spending it with me, and I see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love you.